I think my biggest takeaway, and this is really for you, Nick, is this really works online as well. I've seen you do it in person and the room is buzzing, but you can actually take all of that and put it online as well, and you've done an amazing job. My biggest takeaway is seeing how well you create this online as well.
That I can make an audience feel something. And
I think my biggest takeaway today is the importance of using emotion in stories, how it can really help bring the audience along with your story and keep them engaged.
Today is that speaking can be awesome. It can be fun, actually. I might have something to say. I will have something to say.
What a message, part of wisdom, eh?
We all have a story. That's my biggest bit of learning today, and we all have a different approach. The thing that it makes possible is absolutely anything.
Group is that we all have a story, and we've used our emotional background from adversity to success, which is amazing.
Thank you.
I'm actually going to be able to do the videos that I want to put up on YouTube, which are going to be the start of my next big idea.
Big round of applause for Massage Chris.
I think my biggest takeaway is to make people feel and not just listen, and to actually be brave enough to focus on the most disengaged person in the room and win them over.
It's about authenticity, and I think that comes from the emotions that we've spoken about and we've shared with each other, and I thank everybody for being open and honest, and it's all about authenticity, definitely.
That allows me to take it to the next level. So through being pushed by Nick, I've put up a online seminar which went live last night about a husky expedition I did, so that's on Eventbrite right now.
What I'm going to make possible is I'm just going to feel the fear and do it anyway. I do still keep tending to stop myself.
Yes. Big round of applause for Lou, please. Thanks very much.
It's okay to be anxious, and also, you know, other people have mentioned, you know, your story. I mean, I spend most of my working days understanding my client's story. I'm now understanding mine.
It's the power of creativity.
We're so worried about, what if I get up on stage and somebody doesn't like me? Guess what? There will always be people who dislike you, and that's okay, because there are far more who like you and need what you have to say.
So it's just like kind of helped me gain a little bit more confidence and a little bit more clarity when it comes to design and talks and things that I do.
Is that keeping it real is good, and everybody else is very likely going to be feeling what you're feeling.
You are. You don't have to be anyone else's. You are. Just be you, be true to yourself. There's nothing to hide behind. You don't need to cover up. Be the beauty you already are, as you are. As you are.
Yeah! What a note to finish on, as if that was planned. It genuinely wasn't. Genuinely. I'm not that clever to line that up, trust me.